Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best Bluetooth camera outdoor. The Arlo Essential Security Camera 2K, second generation. This wireless camera is designed to give you peace of mind by monitoring your home or property with crystal clear 2K video quality. Whether you're keeping an eye on outdoor activities or protecting your loved ones, this camera has you covered with impressive features and smart technology. The Arlo Essential 2K outdoor camera is built for both indoor and outdoor use, boasting a weather-resistant design that ensures it can withstand the elements. Its sleek white bullet-style form factor measures just over 2 inches wide and 3.5 inches tall, making it compact yet highly functional. Powered by rechargeable lithium-ion batteries, you don't have to worry about complicated wiring or frequent battery changes. Setting up the camera is a breeze thanks to its direct connection to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, allowing for a quick and straightforward installation process. Once connected, you can control and monitor the camera remotely via the Arlo Secure app, available for smartphones. This app lets you view live streaming video, receive real-time notifications triggered by motion detection, and even communicate through two-way audio. The audio is enhanced with noise and echo cancellation, so you can hear and speak clearly with anyone on your property. One of the standout features of this camera is the integrated spotlight and siren. The spotlight activates automatically when motion is detected or can be turned on manually through the app, which acts as a strong deterrent for unwanted visitors. Additionally, the built-in siren can be triggered remotely to ward off intruders or alert neighbors. Night vision is no longer limited to black and white with the Arlo Essential camera. Thanks to its color night vision capability, you get clear, detailed images even in low light conditions. This makes it easier to identify faces, vehicles, or other important details at any hour. The camera's 130-degree field of view captures a wide area, providing comprehensive coverage of your property. Zooming in is also simple with a 12x digital zoom feature, allowing you to see fine details like license plates or even eye color from a distance. The camera supports multiple mounting options, including wall mounts that come in the package, ensuring you can position it exactly where it offers the most benefit. Privacy is another key consideration. Arlo prioritizes protecting your personal information and offers features designed to keep your footage secure and in your control. While the camera itself functions well without a subscription, signing up for an Arlo Secure plan unlocks premium features. Like 60-day cloud storage, advanced detection for people, vehicles, packages, animals, and even fire detection. The app also provides emergency response options to enhance your home security system. This camera works seamlessly with popular smart home platforms like Amazon Alexa and Google Home, allowing you to integrate it into your existing smart ecosystem. With voice control, you can simply ask Alexa to show your front door camera on a compatible screen device, making surveillance effortless and hands-free. It's an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their home security with a reliable, modern outdoor camera. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest product insights. Stay safe and secure.